Between Santa Monica and Pacific Palisades in Los Angeles, California, the house in Rustic Canyon sits on a densely wooded lot, rich with vegetation, including coastal live oaks and California sycamores. The interplay between these simple stucco volumes and planted areas is a modern minimalist interpretation of the classic hacienda-style home that was dominant in this region a century ago. The single-story residence was designed by local studio Walker Workshop for a couple and their 2 children. The firm also acted as the general contractor. Four simple rectilinear wings, containing 4 bedrooms and the garage, radiate from the corners of a central space, also called the light box, the integrated living room and kitchen whose walls are floor-to-ceiling glass. Surrounding the wings are patios and gardens. With a pinwheel shape and floor-to-ceiling glass, nature and light are drawn into the center of the home at any time of day. For interior finishes, the team used a simple and warm palette of materials. Among the notable decor pieces is an oak plywood dining set designed by Walker Workshop. The dining area features an accent wall made of textured Peterson brick. In the kitchen, a rhythmically framed glass wall extends from the countertop to the 15-foot-high ceiling. Designed to be the heart of the home, the kitchen gains additional volume with high ceilings. This kitchen cathedral evokes the idea of an altar, with light marble countertops and simple cabinetry, offering an immersive view of a grove of melaleuca trees. A low-lying sofa is paired with wood and leather chairs and a shaggy diamond-patterned rug. Designer Lisa Petrazzolo handled the home's interior design. The flooring is covered with honey-toned oak. The fireplace is surrounded by a terrarium-like garden filled with succulents. The architects assisted in the creation of the steel window system, featuring glass panels lined with slender black mullions. There is a clear separation between public and private areas. As the house extends outward from the central point, the walls are reduced in height and depth to reinforce the radial character of the plan and create discrete moments for nature and views to be celebrated. The house stands out from the surrounding Los Angeles neighborhood typologies and shines with its own individuality. Defined further by one of the few naturally flowing creeks, Rustic Creek, as well as its proximity to the Pacific Ocean, Rustic Canyon creates its own microclimate, allowing for lush vegetation and various species of trees to grow. Views of nature are present in the main bedroom, where a large skylight allows the owners to look up into the canopy of an oak tree. Additionally, glazed sliding doors, both in the bedroom and elsewhere, provide seamless access to the backyard. Walker Workshop imbues the residence with cinematic viewpoints through deliberate architectural and design elements. By intentionally using materials and forms that offer a calm yet modern aesthetic, Walker Workshop provides the residents with a home where they can grow and evolve over time.